The session is at 11, right? My session. Oh, it's tomorrow? Okay. You've got pumped. Okay.
Tell the wrong date.
No, it's tomorrow. Just kidding. We'll be back again tomorrow. But welcome to Booksactually. And it's BuySingLit weekend. Yes, Kenny. What can you do with that?
Just later in the afternoon for a poet, then you go around like the whole street to read poems.
Oh, okay. Kenny Leck has been a supporter of my work as an author ever since the Camino. Yeah, it's been about 8 years in this journey. This weekend is BuySingLit, a weekend celebrating books and reading and knowledge and all things literary. Not only has Booksactually and Math Paper Press published 2 of my books, they've also supported me by giving me various projects to work on and putting my name out there. That's really important when you're starting out as a brand new young artist. So once again, we are here at Yong Siak Street and it is the BuySingLit event. Already you can see a lot of urban sketches out here. It is an ad hoc event for the urban sketches and it so happens to be right here. So welcome to the BuySingLit event of the weekend, also known as the Yong Siak Street Party. Tomorrow I'll come back again for a sharing session for the launching of the 2nd edition of La Kopi. So stick around, guys. Hi William. Hi. Can we see what you're working on right now?
Sure.
Okay. So it's just after you penciled in and now you're just watercoloring.
Yeah. Just adding in the shade and work out on all the main area.
Okay.
Then after that, I will continue on the details.
Okay.
But just get all the big patch of color right first.
I didn't know you use a Chinese brush.
I use
Traditional
Chinese brush.
Wow.
Yes, I use a cheap one.
Wow.
Because I find it's quite useful. It's just affordable and water retention is also quite good.
Okay.
So it's not bad lah. So I've been using for many years. I use Daniel Smith and Rembrandt. Depend on the color range that I like. And for the green series, normally I use Rembrandt, and the rest of the warm color I use Daniel Smith. Yes.
Have fun painting.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hello, how are you? Today you're using?
Watercolor pencils.
Okay, so after you put this down, you're gonna add water.
Water. I'll try and add water and blend it a little bit.
Okay, wow.
We'll see how it turns out.
Nice choice.
Yeah, I'm attracted to colors.
Yeah.
But currently it's Alfred Dürer. Yeah.
German, I love his monogram or his logo, AD.
Okay, yeah.
Alright, so here I am and I'm just wondering whether I should paint it from this angle or this angle. pros and cons, but I think I'm beginning to like one. If you can figure that one out, cast your votes right now, and we'll see if you chose the angle that I chose for this particular composition piece. It's a tricky one, both angles are quite nice, but I guess I really like how the pillar juts up for this one, that leaves this black space in between the wall and the pillar, so that creates kind of a tension and actually beauty. And also the black areas allow the flora and fauna to really pop out. So that's a little bit of composition for you for this particular piece and why I chose this particular composition. Okay, let's pause for a while. There's a special guest this weekend. It's Jason's leopard. Hello.
Oh, hello.
What's your parrot's name?
Furby.
Hi, Furby.
My name is Furby. What's your name?
My name is Alvin does the greatest YouTube videos.
Yeah. See how lucky you are. See? Lucky bird, lucky bird.
Show and tell, and I'm heading over to where everyone's meeting, just right next to Booksactually. A pretty huge group for such an ad hoc session. It's not the official week, it's the second week of the month, but yeah, many really energetic and passionate sketchers here in Singapore. Okay, I'm done.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. Thank you for coming to today's Kopi book. Well, it's the second edition book launch. There's some added material in there, which to be honest, even though I'm the publisher, but I have no idea what the added material was, so you'll have to ask him. And of course, here is Alvin. He's the author and illustrator artist of this book.
This is Amy, and she was there at the cafe that I was at, so yeah, she was in first time doing this.